Hello everyone, I got this Casablanca Century 9000. It has the variable speed, or slimmer quiet, but it doesn't work. It's actually the first time I've ever had it not work on a fan. So it just runs on the one speed. The blades are not original. From what I understand, they're off of an American Industries. But when I got them, they were from a Casablanca Zephyr that was at the Habitat in San Antonio. And I was like, oh, those are nice blades. So eventually they separated them from the fan and sold them separately, and I bought them. And then I put this vintage forearm light on it. And it's got these kind of neat old school fitter heads on it. And you know, it looks pretty nice, all lit up. It's got these crystal incandescent light bulbs in it. And here's the fan running. Like I said, this has no effect on it at all. That's what I said, Century 9000. It was a pretty nice fan. My wife's not big on brass, or else I'd consider putting it up in the house. Because I really like it. But anyway, it otherwise runs very well. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed.